Our walls are painted. The electric is in. Wednesday, they're coming to lay the carpet. There's that spider thing. They're putting our ceilings in. They actually just stopped working because they needed some more supplies. Office is coming along quite nicely. Our little kitchenette area. We have walls, people. Oh, there's a mirror. We have a woman's bathroom. They got most of the hardware in now. It's just time to bring in the toilet and the sink. Same thing with the men's bathroom. We are so excited. Construction is going along quite nicely in our warehouse. Doing some things, branding some more of our doggies. VMI Office Solutions. Oh, yeah. Guys just left on a truck to go for a project. I'm finishing up branding the dollies right here. All right. Fuse boxes in. Still a little bit more work to go, but it's coming along. Oh, let's see our door and our window. So if you happen to drive by, you would know it's us. Of course, the permits are on the door. I'm going to close it real quick so you can see. We are located in Chesapeake, Virginia. VMI Office Solutions. This is our door. We're in Unit 6. Here's our window. It says Office Magic. It's a great business center. We have wonderful neighbors here. All right, let's open this back up for the construction, guys. And let me finish branding the dolly. So I just want to give you guys an update of our construction. Excuse me, tongue-tied. Construction. They're gonna finish with the ceiling. Hopefully they'll be completely done with that today, the latest tomorrow. And we'll just keep working. All right, guys.